All right, this is Chris's video, and I want to see that piece of paper. Um, I'm going to play these licks, all except for the one that's X'd out, okay? I'll play them twice like they do on the CD, and I'll try to count my way into them also. So the first lick is something that is like this. All right, so that's, and then this one does start on the one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Next one. That's kind of a little bit of a tough one. So what you're doing is you're doing the first string, and then you're going to bend with your little finger backed up by your ring and middle. And they want you to do a full bend. Just bend it however you can. And then back to that first string. So, and then the easy part, pull off from 5 to 3 on the third string, and then the fourth string. Put together, it sounds like this: 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I screwed up. Okay, so that's that riff. It's a little tough. If you can't get that one, don't sweat it. And then it's moved to the third one, which is a little bit easier. And it is. So, and then those three all do not have the rest at the beginning of the lick, like I was talking about. They start right on the downbeat. So 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we're going to skip the first one of the last stanza there. So that's X'd out, and we're going to move on to the second one, and this is a hammer first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 5 to 3 with this, wherever you see the little, what do you call them, the little eyebrows, those are slur signs in music. If you look right up above, you'll see slurs that are underneath it. So here in the tablature, they're putting them above. But so if it goes from a low number to a high number, it's going to be a hammer-on for us right now. If it goes from a high number to a low number, it's going to be a pull-off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And you'll listen to these, me play them like this, and then also you can listen to your CD where they'll play them within a band context. Okay? 1. All right. So now we come to what I think is the most fun one of all of these, the one that's the third tab on in this last stanza, and it goes. 2, 3, 4, 1. So you've heard this lick a million times. That you've heard blues players go into their blues solos like. So this is. So it's kind of like the beginning of those kind of licks, right? So. So when it's 6, it's 1 and 2. That's a triplet. So anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's it. Now for the last one, and this is a pretty easy one. 1. That's what it is. So I'm going to count it, and it's also a rest on the first beat. 1. and which is the tonic. G. 1. And it just kind of reinforces that thing. It's a long note, isn't it? The tonic. Talk about landing on the tonic. That lands on the tonic a little bit there. And when they hit that little 1, you see the little squiggly up and the arrow up, and it says half, 1/2 there. That means it's a half note bend. Just bend it a little bit. Don't try to hurt yourself.
That's a third string bend.
Yeah, it's a third string bend. So all we want to do is pull it down. You can push it up if it's easier for you, but I usually pull it down because my next string is going to be my 4th one, and I don't want to push up into the 4th string and mute it. So pull.